Hello, welcome crafters. My name is Mari and thanks for clicking on this video today. So today I have something that I am so excited to do with you guys. So I love makeup and I used to do makeup videos just showing how to do like an easy step-by-step makeup look, and especially like eyeshadow. I am very into eyeshadows. So I decided I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so why not try it out in clay? Just because I am not doing my makeup as much as I used to, so that's what I want to do with you guys today. I am going to be using this Naked Urban Decay, the Cherry palette, and this is a very beautiful palette. Just look at her. She is stunning and all the shades are very beautiful. So it's kind of like a burgundy, brown, and then some light tones. So it is very beautiful, but I'm not even using it as much as I would love to. So I thought, why not just use it in clay and get some beautiful earrings, and then when I do use those earrings, I can actually do a very pretty makeup look with it. So I'll be using this eyeshadow palette. You can use any eyeshadows that you have. And I will be using Sculpey Primo. This is what I have left of this packet. And I will be using some gold foils. So I'm excited about that just because I do love glitter and gold. So I will be using also some tools like my roller, my clutter, and this pointer pen or pointer tool. So that's what I'm using. And then I will be using a few different cutters, like earring shape cutters. So also sorry, my Atlas 150, and that'll be it. So I'm not going to be using too much of the clay just because I don't want to have too much of the earrings. I just want to make some for myself and then maybe have like 2 or 3 extras for gifting for family members. So I think I'll go with about, well, let's actually, this much. And I did go ahead and clean my tools this time. I am kind of bad at doing that just because I forget. So this time I remembered. I was like, no, clean your tools because you do not want to stain the clear or the transparent clay. So I will be using, I think, 3 colors. So I'm going to get 3 of these sections. And that should be even enough. So I will go ahead and roll these out, and then I will go ahead and choose colors with you guys. Alrighty, so they are rolled out and ready to go. I will be using this pointer tool to get out the product. And I won't be using too much product just because these are pretty pigmented. And if I do have to add more, I will go ahead and do that. But for the moment, I will go ahead and choose this color right here. It's called Young Love. It's so pretty. It's like a burgundy, but with a really nice shimmer to it. Okay, that should be good enough. Oops, the brush fell. And the next color that I will choose is this one right here called Privacy. It is a nice chocolatey brown. And for our last color, I will go ahead with this really nice soft mauve or like a soft peach. I'm not sure. It's called Feels. And now we will use a brush just to brush it out, and then we will go ahead and roll them. This is a very pretty color. It's like a blush. A soft blush. Then I do have this color switcher. I will use it and then I'll go with the next color. I'll leave the brown for last just because it is way darker. So I want to show you guys what it looks like up close, and this is the burgundy with a really nice glow to it, or the shimmer, and I love this so much. Then this one is our pretty blush color, and this one is our chocolate brown. So I will go ahead and start rolling these up. I'm gonna start off with the lightest color just because I don't want to get any stains on it. Alright, so I have the 3 colors and they are very pretty. So what I do want to do is add some gold. So I will go ahead and cut this one up into small pieces. And then we will just add it. Alright, so let's go put this one aside and do the same thing with the rest. So I was thinking I should add 2 types of foil. So this is the rose gold. I know it kind of looks like a champagne color on camera, but it is a rose gold. So I will be adding this one to the lightest color. And then to the medium blush color, I will add the gold. And the brown I will leave as is. So I am grabbing some gloves just because this will get pretty messy when dealing with foil and glue. So I did go ahead and add this Sculpey Oven Bake Clay Adhesive. That'll just help with the foil adhering better and then mixing this up together and forming it all into one chunk. So now what I will go ahead and do is mix it all together. I'm very, very curious to know what it will look like at the end. Just because these colors specifically, I really wouldn't have chosen, but I did really want to use that palette. But I did really want like a nice red tone, but yeah, it doesn't have it. The reddest is like that burgundy that I used, and still it didn't really look like a burgundy when I mixed it. Maybe if I would have mixed in some more, it would have looked like it, but I'm not sure. Alrighty, so let's just mix it into one chunk. So this is our little cube. I will go ahead and put it in the fridge for like 5 minutes, or in the freezer, sorry. And then we will go ahead and slice it, and then we will continue with the next steps. Alright, so it is ready. So let's go ahead and slice these, and let's see what it looks like in the inside. This is our first slice, and this is looking actually very pretty. I think it looks better than what I thought that it would look like. Yeah, these are gonna be very beautiful once I roll them out. And I love that I put more foil, so it makes it look more glittery or more gold. So I love that. So now let's go ahead and press these together. So this is before the roller. I love it. It's very beautiful. The only thing is I can't really see too much of the softest color. Like you can see more of the medium, but yeah, you really can't see the other one. But it is very beautiful with all the gold. I love it so much. So let's go ahead and we will use our Atlas roller. It's my Atlas 150. So I will go ahead and just fold them together once, and hopefully I don't have to roll them twice. Hopefully just once is enough. Ooh, that is very beautiful. Oh wow. Yes, I won't re-roll it just because every time you roll it out, like the colors start to mix and combine together. So I'm like, which side should I use? I think I'll use this side. It's super beautiful. And I do have 2 new cutters. So I have this one right here and this one. Then I will be using also my classic teardrop shape. Alright, so this is what is left out of that slab. So I will be saving this in my little container filled with scrap just in case I need to come to it. So I will be saving it in my scrap container for a future video of me using up my scrap pieces. But this is what I have, and I absolutely love these pieces. They are so beautiful, and they look way better than what I thought they would look like. I just can't with them. They are beautiful, and I'm excited to put these in the oven, and hopefully they don't darken up too much. So yes, I love it. The gold looks so pretty on these and so sophisticated. So also, I love this cutter. I got it from Temu, and it brings the 2-piece, and they're just so beautiful. Like, just look at the design on this cutter. It's so beautiful. I love it so much, and I'm excited to see what they look like after baking. So yeah, I am excited for you guys to see them. And using eyeshadow palettes is just so cool that you can do this with clay and at least use that up, just because I'm not using it with myself. So I'll use it for earrings and wear them as well. Alright crafters, so this is the result, and I love each and every piece. So this one here is so beautiful. The only thing is you can't really see like the design from the actual cutter, so I probably won't resin the future pieces. Then this teardrop piece is one of my favorites. I always love teardrop earrings. They're just so beautiful, and then all that gold makes it look even more beautiful. And then this last piece, oh my god, I love this shape. It was a little more difficult to drill in the holes in the right spots, but I love how these turned out, and I hope you guys do test this out. So thank you for watching. Bye!